Check out the trick.
If you don't already know, I be doing my on the show.
Hit the subscribe button right now. Turn on the notification bell icon, for that will notify you when I upload a new content.
Computer is easy if you serious on the time. You wanna share a little talent, easy for remind. Yeah, there we go. And for you to get that, you wanna visit this link. I'm gonna provide the details down in the comment section, the first comment section, or in the description box. Then just head over to this link, and when you scroll down, you can check it out to see. Yeah, and here is $14 $13 course for Forex trading on Udemy. I've grabbed it for free for you. Just click here if you want to download it, and wait a bit. Wow, start downloaded. And likewise, this again, click here to download. Let's view this. So I hope this video helped a lot. If it does, let's see if I give a video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as well, turn on the notification bell icon. See you guys in the next time.
Don't be in a hurry, please click subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified.